In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change hotkeys in TinyTask. So I have the application opened right here. The first thing that you want to do is to click on the prefs button. Now this is going to be the icon with the wrench and a screwdriver. And from here, we have the ability to select the recording hotkey, playback hotkey, and more. So in my case, I'll just set my own recording hotkey, which is going to be F8. And for my playback hotkey, it's going to be F12. Now, you can only change specific hotkey depending on the options that we have right here. Now, if you see the hotkey option, you can just click on it, and from there you have the ability to simply change that specific hotkey. Now, from there, you are simply good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.